Now, today when I was driving from my meeting, I saw this beautiful baby. I saw this car, ne? I saw this beautiful baby. Okay, my other car, I think you know the Jeep. The Jeep is bit military green. And I saw this car that is green again, like nice green, which is lime green, lime. It matches with the Jeep. And I just thought of mommy. And I said to myself, Daddy, your wife works hard. She said she had a problem because the car is expensive cabins for petrol. And I decided to do one thing. Why don't I get my wife this small car, this small baby Yana? Yes, this is my wife's car. This is my wife's new car. I've just bought her this car. Yes, it's for the queen. It's for the wifey. I don't know if she's gonna be happy or not because my wife likes big cars. I don't know. I don't know if she's gonna be happy. I'm like driving now, going to her. But I don't know whether she's gonna be happy or not, you know. I don't know, family. I don't know how she's going to react. She loves big cars, and then I got her something beautiful and very economically so, because she was saying the car that she's driving, the Landy, is big coming to petrol. Then now I decided to do something to surprise her. I don't know what's gonna happen. Then here I'm getting at work now to surprise the woman of my life, to surprise my baby. Family, believe one thing. As long as you believe in God, everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Believe in God, then everything is possible. It's what you need to do, is to believe in God. They don't want to open for me and I'm working here. I own this business. She's gonna love it, guys. I don't know. We'll see. And I never told her that I'm gonna get the car because my aim was not to get the car. I was from my meeting. I was from Pretoria having my meetings there, and I saw the car and I said, wow, I'm taking this for my wife. Then I took the car for my wife. Why not? Family, you need to love your woman. You need to love your husband. Yes. Let me see what's gonna happen. Is she gonna love the car or not? Let's see, family. I'm here at work now. I'm parking. And I'm here. I don't know what's gonna happen, family. Come with me. I'm parking the car. This is my wife's car. Can check that one. She's tired of this. Yes, yeah, Jamo petrol on this one. It's Hamig. This is my car. You know? Then now, let me do this. Family, I want you to believe in one thing. I want to hear me, guys. Hear me, family. I want you to pray. You must pray. Because with prayer, everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Then I don't know, family, how my wife is going to react. She doesn't know that I'm coming. She doesn't know that I'm coming with the car. Let me go out, okay? Let's do this, family. Come with me. Let me go out and check the queen. Please, okay? Let me go out and check. Let me go out. It's not something so big. But here, wow, I love the color. It resonates with my Jeep. Kero, where's mommy? Yeah, Cozy, get your mommy for me. Get mommy. There's Momo, daddy. Honey. Family. I don't know what she's going. Honey, I've got a guest outside there. The Velvet Skin customers, a very big customer of Velvet Skin. The biggest customer of VS Skin. Oh, but that bulk.
200.
Why are you saying 100? How will I get the guy? Why are you papa 100? Baby, can we attend?
Okay.
Hola, piden. How good is it? Client. Keros for a meeting, family, and you see now. Kemisa moto mo keros for a meeting. I don't know what's going to happen. Well, mommy, your client is waiting there. The client Jack has some wait. Kota also moza Joe, is mutu man. She's from Joburg. Tamu bi medise fela. She's from Josie. She won bulk VS. She won bulk. Can you help this sister of us? I will see. We are coming. Ish, mommy. Yo, mommy Ustara. How it? Do you made somewhere? Oh. She's from Josie. Open the car and say hello to mommy. Yeah, from Josie. Ta-da! Here you go. That's your car. Can I have my Land Rover back? That's your car. Don't cry. You cry, I'm taking it back. It matches with the Jeep. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Honey?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
And matches with your dress again. Check the dress in the car. They match.
Honey. Oh, man.
Don't ask questions, baby.
Take it for a test drive.
I love.
Wow, she's happy. How are you feeling?
Oh, baby. I don't know. I don't know. I'm speechless.
And you're crying. Somebody's supposed to kiss daddy. Someone is saying you're supposed to kiss him. Someone is saying when things are like this, you're supposed to kiss your man.
Okay, let me kiss my man.
Kiss your man.
Okay, wait, let me guys. Yay!
Yeah. There you are. You are a hard worker. You deserve this, eh? You are a hard worker. You are a God-fearing woman. You deserve this. With God, honey, everything is possible. You deserve it, eh?
Oh, man.
That's yours. You deserve it. You are a hard worker. Eh? Yeah.
I think I'm getting mixed feelings now.
Yes, it's understandable.
Happy, sad.
Modimo thabasi one monna a go ruise molemo sa feleng. Yeah. The God of Mount Zion a go ruise molemo sa feleng. You are doing beautiful things. You are curing people, man. Why not? You are giving people their self-esteem, confidence. Why not? You deserve it. Yeah, you deserve it, baby.
Thank you so much.
Because you were saying, I heard you last week saying that petrol, the Land Rover is killing you coming to petrol. Then I thought of getting you something small but nice and beautiful, and I wanted something that matches with the Jeep.
Yes, because hey, I can get a melody tab.
Yeah, one of my lady Taba, hey.
Yeah, I am better, baby.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
yeah. I love it. Let me show the family. I love it so much. Oh, I love the color. Wow. Yeah, congratulations. No, family, I know she's gonna cry, but it's okay. She's crying. Can we let her cry? Last born of a Greg, Koso.
I think.
Raulebo Hisawe. Love you, baby. Thank you. Thank you, family, for watching.